Example number 1. 9 plus 6i over 3i. If a complex number is divided by a pure imaginary number, multiply the numerator and the denominator by I. Let's do that. 9 plus 6i over 3i is equal to 9 plus 6i over 3i. Multiply the numerator by I, multiply the denominator by I. Distribute. So 9 times I, 9i plus I times 6i is plus 6i square over 3i times I is 3i square. Now we know that I square is negative 1. So replace I square by negative 1 since I square is negative 1. All over 3 times, replace this also by negative 1. Okay, so 9i, positive times negative is negative, so this will become negative 6 over negative 3. Okay, then divide 9i by negative 3. 9i over negative 3 is equal to negative 3i. So we have here negative 3i. Divide negative 6 by negative 3. Negative over negative is positive, so this will become positive 2. Next, write the answer in the form of A plus BI. So this is now 2 minus 3i. So the answer is 2 minus 3i. Example number 2. 5 minus 2i over 3 plus 4i. If a complex number is divided by another complex number, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Let's do it here. 5 minus 2i over 3 plus 4i equals 5 minus 2i over 3 plus 4i. The conjugate of 3 plus 4i is 3 minus 4i. Let us write here conjugate. Conjugate. To find the conjugate, just change the sign of the second term. This is positive, change it to negative. Let us write here, change the sign. So multiply the numerator by 3 minus 4i and the denominator also by 3 minus 4i equals. Find the product of 5 minus 2i and 3 minus 4i by using the FOIL method. Let us do it here. 5 minus 2i times 3 minus 4i. First term times first term. 5 times 3, 15. Outside terms. 5 times negative 4i. Negative 20i. Inner terms. Negative 2i times 3. Negative 6i. The last terms. Negative 2i times negative 4i. Positive 8i square. Over. You can also use the FOIL method here, but then 3 plus 4i is in the form of a plus b, and 3 minus 4i is in the form of a minus b. The product of a plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square. If you follow this, then we have here 3 square minus b square. This is b, so square 4i there. So we have now 15 minus 20i minus 6i plus 8i square over 3 square is 9 minus 4i close parenthesis square is 16i square. So this is now equal to 15 minus 20i minus 6i plus 8 times, we know that I square is negative 1. So replace this by negative 1 over 9 minus 16 times I square, but I square is negative 1, so we can replace this by negative 1. So we have now 15 minus 20i minus 6i. This becomes minus 8 because positive times negative is negative over 9. This becomes positive 16 because negative negative is positive. Let us now combine the terms 15 and negative 8. Let's show it here. 15 minus 8 minus 20i minus 6i over 9 plus 16. Fifteen minus 8 is 7. Negative 20i, negative 6i is negative 26i over 9 plus 16 is 25. Now this can be written as 7 over 25 minus 26i over 25. This is in the form of a plus bi. So the answer is 7 over 25 minus 26i over 25.